YouTube, my fellow Disneylanders, my cocktail connoisseurs, and my drinkers and lovers of cocktails everywhere. It's me again, Jice, the unofficial Disney guide, and we are back.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
That's right, you couldn't get rid of me that easily. We're back, we're gonna be stronger than ever, and right now, we got a good one for you. We got Mickey's Moscow Mule. I totally just made that up right now, but we're gonna be taking everything you love about a Moscow Mule and making it Christmas. But first, as always, things have changed. As you can see, we're not in the same place anymore. But one thing that hasn't changed is I'm gonna need you to click that like button, that subscribe button if you aren't already, and turn on that bell for notifications so you know when we're gonna drop more cocktails for you to make. Okay, now let's get drinking.
All right, Disney fam, let's get making this Mickey's Moscow Mule. Once again, not a real drink at the park. I just threw Mickey in front of it so we can make a holiday Moscow Mule. Anyways, first things first, we're actually gonna get our shaker as usual. We make a lot of shake drinks up in here. We're gonna do a teaspoon of sugar. You can totally eyeball this or you can measure it out, but eyeballing so much more fun because you don't know what you're gonna get. Now, once you have a teaspoon of sugar added in here, we're gonna take 3 to 4 rosemary needles. That's not rosemary. We're gonna take 3 to 4 rosemary needles, not 3 to 4 branches, just the needles. And we're gonna add that right in. Once you have those added in, go ahead and grab some thyme. We're gonna go ahead and add just a small pinch of thyme. Remember, no branches, just the thyme itself. That's gonna make a nice little herbiness, nice little Christmas style drink in there. It's gonna be good. And then we're gonna add a little bit of ginger syrup. Totally unnecessary if you don't have ginger syrup or if you've never made the ginger syrup I've been telling you to make, but we're gonna add just a little bit. This really helps it mash all together. But if you don't have ginger syrup, totally cool. Just be careful not to add too much. Now, we're gonna mash it all up with a muddle. If you don't have a muddle, use the backside of a spoon, that's my recommendation. But just get it nice and incorporated the sugar and all those herbs in there. Once that's all muddled together, we're gonna add some ice. We're gonna add some ice straight into the shaker. I don't have a cool scooper, sorry. From there, we're gonna go ahead and use our Jonathan Drake Vodka. Not a sponsor yet. Jonathan Drake Vodka is pretty good. Not Kenyon Drake, not Drake the Rapper, but Jonathan Drake. This is pretty good vodka. It's nice, smooth, has a very crisp finish. It's been distilled a ton of times, super good. But go ahead and use whatever vodka you like. You don't have to be fancy like this, but I do recommend these. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 ounces of Jonathan Drake Vodka. We're gonna add same amount, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Again, you can eyeball the cranberry juice if you'd like. Yes, I definitely spilled some, so we gotta add some more.
And now the fun part as always, shake it up.
Once you have that all shaken up, go ahead and get a copper mug filled with ice, the only way to serve a Moscow Mule and the only way to serve a Mickey's Moscow Mule, and strain your drink straight into the mix. Once you've done that, now we're gonna add the ginger beer. I think Fever Tree is hands down the best ginger beer to use for Moscow Mules, and you should use it too. If you don't, then you're kind of lame. Go ahead and add the Fever Tree straight in, about 4 ounces, or if you have these size bottles, the entire thing. Now what kind of show would Jice be running here if I didn't have a nice little garnish? So go ahead and drop in a few cranberries into some sugar. Go ahead, roll those around in the sugar. So go ahead and roll those around in the sugar and get them nicely coated. And go ahead and grab a nice little cocktail skewer. Feed those right on through. 3 or 4, that's all you need. And if some comes off on the way, go ahead. You can just add a little bit more on there. Place that right on top of your drink, just like that. Add a sprig of thyme, and maybe another sprig of rosemary, and there you have it. This drink really is amazing. I outdid myself on this one. If you really are wondering how good it is, just take a look at this.
Fuck, that's good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail and make it for yourself. It's gonna be a good one. But first and foremost, I wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope you guys have a wonderful and joyful and blessed holiday time. And I hope you get to spend it with your loved ones and everything you enjoy. I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy. There's a light at the end of this tunnel. 2021's right around the corner, and I see good things for the Disney fam and everyone alike. So stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy. And I'm gonna keep enjoying this drink, and I'm gonna keep enjoying making videos for you. So stay tuned for that too. Cheers.